In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about ClickUp API. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find your personal API token in ClickUp, how to generate it securely, and a few best practices to keep it safe while you use it to connect your tools and automate your workflows. Before we begin, a quick overview. The ClickUp API lets you integrate ClickUp with other apps or your own code, so you can fetch tasks, update statuses, create lists, and build automations that save time. To do that, you'll use a personal API token, which works like a key that authorizes your requests. Treat it like a password. It grants access based on your account's permissions inside your workspace. Let's jump straight in and navigate to where the API settings live. Start inside your ClickUp workspace. Look to the very top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. If you haven't set a photo, this will usually be your initials inside a circle. That opens your account menu. A drop-down will appear with items related to your profile and preferences. Scroll down through that list until you see Settings, and then click it. This will take you into a dedicated settings area where you can manage your account and workspace controls. Once the settings page loads, you'll notice a menu along the left-hand side. That sidebar is where ClickUp organizes different configuration sections, including notifications, security, and more. In that left menu, find the option labeled ClickUp API and select it. This is the section that holds your personal token and the controls to manage it. Inside the ClickUp API section, look for the button that says Generate. Clicking Generate will create a new personal API token for your account. This token is unique to you and is tied to your access level. Remember, anything your account can do in ClickUp, an app using your token may also be able to do, so keep it private. When you click Generate, ClickUp may ask you to verify your identity for security. Enter the password you use to sign in to your ClickUp account. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may be prompted to complete that verification flow instead. This safeguard helps ensure only you can generate a token on your account. After entering your password, click Confirm Password to continue. ClickUp will now create your personal API token. Once it's generated, you'll see the token presented on the page.
So let me just show you
In some
how
cases, it might be partially hidden
what I
until you
produced,
interact with it. But the key point is that you'll have the chance to copy it securely at this moment. You can regenerate a token whenever you need, and that's a good practice if you think your token has been exposed or you simply want to rotate it on a schedule. Regenerating will immediately revoke the old token and issue a new one, which helps protect your data if the previous token was stored somewhere you no longer control. To copy the token, click the highlighted token field. That action typically reveals options to copy it to your clipboard. As soon as you've copied it, paste it into a secure place, such as a password manager or your development environment's secret storage. Avoid storing it in shared documents or plain text notes. A few important security tips as you prepare to use it. Never commit your token to a public repository. In code, reference it through environment variables or a secrets vault rather than hard coding it. Don't embed it in client-side code that runs in a browser or mobile app where it can be easily extracted. Keep usage on the server side and rotate the token if you suspect it has been leaked. If you're testing the API in tools like Postman or from your server, add this token to your HTTP request headers as a bearer token under the authorization header. That's how ClickUp recognizes and authorizes your requests. From there, you can call the endpoints documented by ClickUp to read or modify data within the scope of your workspace permissions. Now, take a look around the ClickUp API settings area. This page is where you can revisit your token, regenerate it, and often find links to the official API documentation. If you manage multiple workspaces, make sure you're viewing the correct workspace's settings before generating or using a token, since your permissions can vary between workspaces. As a final set of tips, keep a simple checklist for working with your token. Store it securely. Share it only with services you trust. Restrict access to team members who need it, and set a reminder to rotate it periodically. If you ever leave a project or change automation tools, regenerate your token right away so any previous systems lose access. That's the entire journey from your profile menu to a working ClickUp API token.